for our first lesson is... Okay, this one. Welcome. Can you say welcome?
Welcome.
Very good. Okay, listen, read, and say. Listen first.
Không có mình gì ấy.
Con chuyển to ra. Teacher, please wait a moment. I am train
Yes, yes, miss.
screen. Yes.
Okay, you can... Okay,
Okay.
Okay.
okay. Okay, now let's go back, okay? Can you see now?
Okay.
Okay, let's go back. Listen first. Okay, listen, read, and say. Okay, now can you say, I am
I am.
a... I am a student.
I am a student.
Very good. I am doing... Okay, can you say, I am doing my homework
my homework
in my bedroom.
in my bedroom.
Very good. My desk is next to my bed.
Is next to my bed.
Very good. My favorite subject is math.
My favorite
favorite yes, subject is math.
math.
Very good. What's your favorite subject? Say it one more time. What's your favorite subject? Very good. Okay, how about this one? It's 6:30 in the morning. Can you say it's
Is
6:30
6:30
in the go
in the
evening?
evening?
Very good. Okay, continue reading.
I am at home.
Very good. You're an awesome reader too. Okay, now let's proceed. So
I am listening to music.
Okay, can you read this one more time? Listening.
Listening to music.
Okay, very good. Go.
Where we eat dinner at 7 o'clock.
Okay, good. Okay, can you read this one more time? 7. 7.
At 7.
Okay. Okay, go. Continue. I'm hungry. Go.
I hungry.
I am.
I am hungry.
Go. I
was
spaghetti.
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 Very good. Okay, continue.
When do you eat dinner?
Very good. Okay, next one. Number 3, go.
I am
Excited.
excited. I am playing my new video
Very good.
game, the living room. I like karate. I go to karate class on Monday. When do you to English class?
Okay, can you read this one more time? This word. Let me underline it. This one. Can you read this one more time? Oh, sorry. This one. This word. Can you say excited? Can you say excited?
Can you say excited?
Okay, excited.
Excited.
Very good. Okay, this one. Mondays.
Monday.
Very good. Okay, this one. English.
English.
Very good. Okay, how about reading this one, number 4. Go.
No. No. Purple. Flower.
Flowers.
Flower.
Very
The
good.
small goose. My favorite color of purple. I am wearing a purple seat and a purple piece. I am wearing purple shorts and shoes.
Shoes.
What are you wearing?
Okay, can you read this one more time? Purple. Can you say purple?
Purple.
Very good. How about this one? Favorite.
Favorite.
Very good. Okay, how about this one? Wearing.
Wearing.
Very good. Okay, how about this one? Can you say shirt? Shirt.
Shoes. Shoes.
Shirt.
Shirt.
Very good. Okay, how about this one? Can you say skirt?
Skirt.
Very good. Okay, how about the last one? Can you say shoes?
Shoes.
Very good, Kim. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Okay, how about you? Okay, what will you gonna share with me right now? What are you doing in your house?
What's a book your talk with your classmate?
Okay, how about you? Talk with your classmate. Okay, now, so let's proceed to the next one. Listen, ask, and answer, then practice. Okay, listen first. Listen. Okay, so, Kim, let me ask you a question. What is the date today? Tonight. What is the date?
What is the day tonight?
Okay, what is the day tonight, Kim? Can you say today is
Today is
June 12?
June 12.
Can you say June 12?
June 12.
Very good. That's awesome. Okay. So next one. Listen first. Listen. "27. Okay, now listen. Can you say first?
First.
Very good. How about second?
Second.
Okay. The next one, third. Third.
Third. Third.
Third.
Third.
Third.
Third.
Okay, the next one, fourth.
Fourth.
Very good. Okay, the next one, fifth. Fifth.
Fifth. Fifth.
Very good. How about this one? Sixth.
Sixth.
Okay, the next one, seventh.
Seventh.
Seventh. Okay, very good. How about this one? Eighth.
Eighth.
Ninth.
Ninth.
Very good.
Ninth.
Very good. How about this one? 10th.
10.
Very good. 11th.
11.
11th.
11.
Very good. How about 12th?
12.
Very good. 13th.
14.
13th.
13.
Very good. 14th.
14.
14th.
14.
Very good. Okay, how about the next one? 15th.
15.
Okay, now let me ask you again, what is the date today? Today. Can you say June 12th? June
June 12.
12th. Very good. That's awesome. So let me give you something. Let me give you ta-da! What's that? What's this? A star. Are you there? Okay, when someone gives you something, what will you say? You will say, thank you.
Thank you.
Very good. So I think that's all for tonight. So I'll see you next time, Kim. You did a great job today. So please practice the words. That is flowers, purple, skirt, shoes, and shirt. Okay, you will practice again all of that words. Okay? Okay. So see you next time. Okay, see you next time. Bye. Have a great
Bye.
night.